As citizens, we all dream of a world where the energy we consume comes from renewable sources. At Ardian, as we own more than 7 gigawatts of renewable assets, we try to think of how this could materialize. Back in 2020, we started working on this idea of leveraging the very large amount of data we have access to across our portfolio in order to support our investment strategy in renewable energy. And this is how OPTA was born.
OPTA is a central digital platform for renewable energy assets. It leverages the scale of Ardian portfolio and data to optimize operations, go-to-market strategy, and portfolio construction. The project began with collecting real-time, high-granular data from wind and solar farm sensors, as well as energy market data.
On the operation side, OPTA makes it possible to spot underperformance and characterize the root causes of a problem so that we can decide on the adequate remediation plan to restore normal operation.
For wind, the starting point usually comes from the power curve analyzer. This module allows us to immediately identify if the wind turbines are operating according to what was agreed upon with the manufacturer.
We had this case recently on one of our wind sites, where OPTA raised an alert for excessive misalignment between wind direction and turbine nacelle position. This was also confirmed by an abnormal power curve trend. The operation and maintenance contractor performed an upgrade to improve the alignment, and after 1 year of operation, OPTA confirmed that the alignment had been effectively improved and production had been increased by close to 2%.
OPTA also provides analytical tools to support decision-making in terms of hedging and energy management.
For complex projects like investment in battery storage, accurately modeling revenue streams on an hourly basis is at the same time essential and requires a powerful simulation engine that could, for instance, replicate battery behavior. And this is just one example of the broader set of asset management and build-up projects that can be analyzed through OPTA in the future. OPTA also helps us speak the same language across multiple geographies. It has connected all the renewable platforms and unified not only our practices, but also our vision of the markets. For example, the reporting is now being automated and standardized, whether you're dealing with a solar farm in Chile or a wind farm in Spain.
It has truly become a collaborative platform for everyone. Whether you're an analyst, a managing director, or a CEO, OPTA will equally impact your work in the boardroom and in the field.
This year, we went one step further. We now use the OPTA codebase not only for managing our assets in portfolio, but also in the investment phase.
During a process, it may enable the evaluation of different upgrades before implementing them on an existing asset or prior to investment to find appropriate upsides and increase profitability.
It helps us evaluate the risk of the contracting strategy in place and compare it to alternative strategies.
Building a clean energy system from production to end customer will create significant challenges. Our mission is to bring around-the-clock renewable energy to the end users at an affordable price. OPTA is the key platform to shape the energy of tomorrow.